Hey guys, iMAT here. Today I have a product which I have been getting a lot of requests to review, the HK11 Pro Max. Finally I have received it, so I thought about making a quick unboxing video to show you what comes inside the box and also take a first look on the smartwatch. So first of all, let's open the parcel. So here is the first look on the box. We have the HK11 Pro Max, the multifunctional smartwatch. Looking at the sticker, I can judge the one I have received is a global version. I'm not seeing anything new here. It has Bluetooth sharing, real-time photo preview, local album, online application, game and dial market, and the ebooks option. So let's go ahead and get the smartwatch out of the box. First of all, we get the user manual like all of the other models. It is also available in English. After that, we get the USB-A wireless charger. As far as I remember, only HK9 Pro Max, I guess, once came with a USB-C charger. Then since it's the global version, so as you all remember from the previous videos, it comes with two straps. We have the trail loop in off-white, orange and blue color combination. And then we have this braided silicone strap. And after that, here is the smartwatch. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic protection. And here is the first look on the smartwatch. The glossy frame is looking amazing. Let's turn on the smartwatch. Since it's the first impressions video only, so we're not gonna go in detail and we'll just take a quick look on the smartwatch. So I'm gonna use the always on mode. So here it is. After that, let's try out the straps. And here is the trail loop. The strap locks are working well, and here it is. So first of all, the straps are fitting almost the same as the HK10 Pro Max Plus. Talk about the buttons quality, it is looking better than the HK10 Pro Max Plus I had. The crown button and everything looks good. And one thing that I've noticed is that the menu opening speed is obviously faster than the HK10 Pro Max Plus. In the coming week, you are gonna be seeing the unboxing as well as many comparison videos of this HK11 Pro Max Plus with the other models, and you will agree with me that there is surely a speed enhancement. Previously there was a short delay whenever you open the menu, but now you can see that the menu is opening right away, which is something that I finally appreciate about the HK11 Pro Max. If you open the application, you can see that the menu opening as well as the application's opening speed has improved. I'm also noticing change in the icon style as well as the arrangement. If we double click the crown key, it still takes us to the different menu styles. Here is the gravity menu style and it still seems to work pretty well. Let's go back to the waterfall view as mentioned in the HK11 Pro Max, which is the vertical grid view. Let's take a quick look at all of the watch faces. We have this new watch face here. It is dynamic. And once it finishes the animation, you can tap once again and it will show the animation again. It does not have any other color combination. Then we have the old watch faces. I'm not noticing anything new here. And this watch face can still only change the color combination, and other than that, only this watch face has the option to change the colors. One thing that I don't like is that this watch face is still dynamic for obviously no reason. In my opinion, it looks better as a static watch face. And if you look at the control center, it looks the same. The background is the same. Here is the app history. It also looks kind of similar. Obviously we will compare it with the HK10 Pro Max Plus to see if the UI has changed or not. Then we have the widgets page right here. One thing which is quite obvious is that the speed has improved, which is something that I'm loving about it. This was just the first impressions video. I'm gonna be using it for the next 2 days and you will see the full review on this Monday. So make sure that you are subscribed and have the notifications turned on. If you have any requests about this product, if you want me to test a specific feature of this product, do let me know about it in the comment section below. If you want to support my work, you can join the channel membership for as low as $1.99 per month. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you have the notifications turned on for the full review. I will see you in the next one.